Determine the specific logical transaction and step you need to configure. Open transaction/tctm/EWMCFG. Navigate to the logical transaction and select the relevant line. Double-click Logical Step/Screen. Click the display and then Change to enable Edit mode. Locate the title of the step you are modifying. If there are multiple display profiles, ensure you are modifying the correct one. Click the Save button. Assign or create a customizing transport request. Then click Continue. Navigate back and then select the screen to confirm that your changes are reflected.